guys, I'm going to try to fix my oil pan. You can see there how high it is. That's where the holes are. Hope you can see that. If not, well, I tried. Yeah, so I'm gonna take my hammer. I got a choice of 3 different hammers here. I got this body hammer with this point on it, and I got this ball peen. I'm going to put a socket underneath. Socket underneath like that. Put it in my vise. Put my vise here. Give it a good smack. Anyway, we'll see what happens. Yeah, so the socket's right underneath the bolt hole here. Use this one here. Nice and straight. Oh yeah, the ball peen does a lot nicer job. Being positive. Yeah, I like that. So anyway, might as well paint this while I got it off. I should have painted it yesterday when I was doing nothing. Well, I didn't do anything. I went and got my coat shot yesterday. Yeah, so I'm going to put the gasket back on. This time I'm going to put the gasket on and some gasket maker, if you want to call it that. Whoop. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to put this on here, the gasket maker and the gasket, because this gasket is it's not very thick. Maybe a 16th, I don't know. But anyway, we'll get that on and bring you back. Okay guys, all done the transmission pan. Got the gasket on. I used the gasket maker as well. And got it all buttoned up, tightened up, everything. So now I'm going to spray the inside of the door just to keep the noise down. Like Dave Scott had a problem with his car. His trunk got a lot of feedback and echoey and all this sort of stuff. It's something you get when you don't have any kind of insulation in your doors, your trunk, and this sort of stuff. So I'm going to spray my trunk, or my door I should say, and cut down on the noise. Okay, here's what I'm using, called Boom Mat Spray On. Eliminates road noise. So anyway, I'm just going to spray that inside the door, and that'll help keep down some of the road noise, because I would imagine it gets a little noisy if I get cruising, if I ever get this thing on the road. Anyway, tell how noisy it is. But anyway, I want to spray that in as much as I can. One thing is you want to make sure your window is up. Yeah, looking good. Is it on nice and thick? I like that. I used about a half a can on this door here. Half a can on the other door. No, Keith said he used the whole can on the other door, so I'm gonna let that set up, then I'll give it another spray. Okay guys, one more job to do today. Remember the trunk that I bought a long time ago? I'm gonna put this in the back of my truck, so that way when I go grocery shopping, I have someplace to put the groceries so they're not falling over. So this is my trunk in the truck. So we're just going to give that a spray and just kind of seal it for the weather, just in case it gets caught out in the rain someday. Yeah, so there's one coat. He's going to look good. Hey guys, that's it for today. I'm going to wrap it up. I think I've done enough. So anyway, tomorrow I'll fill the transmission up with oil and take it for a little bit of a run, see if it comes out of first gear. So anyways, I appreciate your support. I appreciate you hanging around. I like the thumbs up. I really like the comments. So please leave me a comment. Let me know what you like. Tell me what you don't like. I'll see if I can change it. Anyway, have a good one. Stay cool. I am. Bye now. In the doghouse today, it is, can you see that? Oh, there you go. Oh, just a smidgen over 70 degrees. I think that's 70. Yeah. Just a smidgen. Oh, maybe it might be on 70. Yeah. Nice and cool in here. Anyway, thanks guys. See you later. Bye now.